Are you looking for the best 3D printers and latest model? You've come to the right place. Here we've compiled a list of the top 3D printers on the market, based on our expert analysis and reviews. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got the perfect 3D printer for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the list. List number 1, ANYCUBIC Resin 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K 3D printer is developed based on high-performance technology, with a patented dual-layer structure, built-in resin tank, and Prusa E3 type filament holder. It supports advanced design technologies, like ANYCUBIC new kind of material seal and Nozzle's cooling system, unique layer structure guiding software, and more. This resin printer features a 4K monochrome LCD screen, the 3840 x 2400 high-definition resolution print sharper, and more detailed models. The Photon Mono 4K printer adopts a high-contrast monochrome screen of more than 350 so that the image in the exposed area shows clear details and brings you higher printing quality. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K can print objects up to 50 and supports fast printing speed. It can print single-layer light curing time as 1.5s, which is about half time compared to ordinary resin 3D printers. The monochrome screen lasts 4x longer than the RGB LCD screen, and a replaceable scratch-resistant film. List number 2, Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer V2. The Monoprice Select Mini is designed to provide maximum flexibility in desktop 3D printing. Its low-cost, open-frame design and small footprint make it perfect for most work environments. The heated build plate, built-in calibration tool, and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament. With a built-in heated build plate, auto-calibration, and an auto-bed leveling system, this printer is ready to print right out of the box. It has been calibrated at the factory and comes with 1.75 in filament, which is suitable for printing with a variety of materials including ABS, PLA, and PVA. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow this printer to work with any type of filament to more advanced materials, such as conductive PLA, wood and metal composites, or dissolvable PVA. Unlike most other low-cost 3D printers, this printer ships fully assembled and has already been calibrated at the factory. We even include a MicroSD TM card with pre-installed models, so you can start printing right out of the box. Featuring a small footprint and basic open-frame design, this 3D printer is compact enough for any desk. List number 3, FLASHFORGE Adventure 3 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer is a high-performance 3D printer with large print area and optimized fan for all types of filaments, including ABS, PLA, and nylon material. With advanced open-source software and innovative features like a heated bed and twice faster printing speed, it makes printing easier than ever. Open the box and you're greeted with a well-packed and securely sealed container holding the printer, including all necessary accessories. The package included a user manual, USB cable, power cord, filament spool holder, quick start guide, and promotional flyer. Unboxed the package and found that the build plate was well leveled in the factory. FLASHFORGE 3D printer is made of stainless steel tube. Nozzle is well leveled in the factory. Best 3D printers for beginners. Super quiet. The sound of operation is 50 decibels. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. Printing will be suspended automatically when filament is broken or used up, and printing will be resumed after user replaces a new filament. List number 4, Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Ender 3 is the ultimate choice for passionate 3D printing lovers and DIY enthusiasts. It brings powerful, strong, and efficient performance at an affordable price. The Ender 3 supports ABS, PLA, and HIPS filaments, which increase your capability to customize it according to what you are doing now or would like to do next. Ender 3 is a powerful, affordable, and smart 3D printer that makes professional results affordable in a hassle-free way. With fast and precise printing speed, this professional-grade 3D printer can print high-quality objects in a very short time. This semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kids. Allow them to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers. Ender 3 can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. List number 5, XYZPrinting DaVinci Mini Wireless 3D Printer. The XYZPrinting DaVinci Mini Wireless 3D Printer offers scary fast printing speed while keeping a consistent 200-micron printing resolution. The mini wireless 3D printer from XYZPrinting is a great choice for both home and professional users seeking a high-quality, fast printing solution. This 3D printer is easy to use and prints at a speed of 8 ms 4 inches minute. The Vinci Mini features its own built-in display and touchscreen, making it intuitive for anyone to get started. It can print ABS PLA sample material, connect it to your home Wi-Fi network, and print household items or toys with your children from anywhere in your wireless network. Weighing less than 18 lb, the Vinci Mini W Plus is light enough to easily move around your house.